Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, we are going to be looking at the current price action in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at the current trend of the price action and mark their present support and resistance levels from the higher time frame to lower time frames. And when we look at the economical events plan for today is Tuesday, 14th February. At 7:30 am, we have high impact news planned for New Zealand dollar. At 12:30 pm, we have high impact news and medium impact news planned for British pound related currency pairs. At 7 pm, we have multiple high impact news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. So we can expect lots of volatility in US dollar related currency pairs and in gold also. Let us begin with our gold analysis. I'm in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the current trend of the price action from the 4 hours time frame, we have noticed a price action to test the resistance level of 1960, then to continuously trend on the bearish side or to make a bearish side trend reversal from the resistance level of 1960. So when we draw a resistance line and a trend line to understand the current trend of the price action, I am drawing a bearish channel pattern. Within this bearish channel pattern, we have noticed a price action to trend on the bullish side, and after testing this resistance line of the bearish channel pattern, we have noticed a price action to again fall on the bearish side and to continue with bearish trend. So for now, as long as the price action is trading within this bearish channel pattern from the 4 hours time frame, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in 4 hours time frame. And even if the price action bounces back on the bullish side retracement, we can expect this support line to act as a resistance line for a future price action. And only when the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect the further continuation of the bullish side retracement. So for now, if anyone wants to take trades on the bullish side trend reversal, wait for the price action to break this resistance level of 1890, based on which you can enter on the bullish side trend reversal. And whatever the price action that goes on the bullish side from this support level, it will only be considered as a retracement, because we can expect the price action to bounce back on the bearish side from these resistance levels. So for now, the price action has taken support around the support level of 1852, and we are noticing the bullish side retracement to start from this support level. And if the bullish side retracement continues also, we can expect it to find resistance around the resistance level of 1867, and only when the price action breaks this resistance level of 1867, we can expect a further continuation of the bullish side retracement, and we have lots of resistance levels on the bullish side. And only when the price action breaks the resistance level of 1889, we can expect the bullish side trend reversal to start in 4 hours time frame. We can expect this level to be acting as a neck level of the double top pattern also. This level will be acting as a very strong resistance level for the current bearish trend. And on the bearish side, if the price action breaks the support level of 1852, we can expect the bearish trend to continue, and next level of support is going to be around 1841, 1829, 1812 and 1791. And the overall trend of the price action is still in a bearish trend as long as it is trading within this bearish channel pattern. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame. When we look at the current trend of the price action in hourly time frame, we can notice that in hourly time frame also the current trend is in a bearish trend. Again, it has taken support around the support level of 1852, and we are noticing a little bit of retracement. It is not a trend reversal. And when we look at the trend of the price action using the resistance line, it is clear that if the price action retraces on the bullish side also, we can expect it to bounce back from this resistance line, because we have noticed a past price action to respect this resistance line and to bounce back on the bearish side. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently, the price action has taken support around the support level of 1854, and it is in a bullish side retracement. And if the bullish side retracement continues also, the immediate resistance it's going to be around 1857, 1858, 1860, 1863 and 1866. And as long as the price action is trading within this resistance line, we can expect the bearish side trend to continue in hourly time frame. And if the price action breaks the support level of 1854 and continues its bearish trend, the immediate support is going to be around 1852, 1851, 1846 and 1840. And as long as the price action is trading below this green color resistance line, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in hourly time frame. Let us look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame, and when we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, after testing the resistance line from the hourly time frame, we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bearish side retracement, and currently it has tested the support level of 1850, and we are noticing the price action to form a double bottom pattern, and it is in a bullish side retracement. If the bullish side retracement continues also, we can expect it to find resistance at the resistance line from the hourly time frame. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1855 and the resistance level of 1856. And once the price action breaks the resistance level of 1856, next level of resistance is going to be around 1858, 1854 and 1863. And on the bearish side, if the price action breaks the support level of 1855, next level of support is going to be around 1852, 1850, 1846 and 1842. Although the current trend is on a bullish side retracement, the overall trend of the price action is in a bearish trend as long as the price is trading below this green color resistance line from the hourly time frame. Let us look at the price action in 15 minutes time frame. I am in 15 minutes time frame. When we look at the past price action in 15 minutes time frame, it was respecting this resistance line from the 15 minutes time frame, and we have noticed the price action to breach this resistance line and to start its bullish side retracement. And if the bullish side retracement continues, the immediate resistance is going to be around 1857. Once this resistance level of 1857 is broken, next level of resistance is going to be around 1858, 1860, 1863 and 1866. And on the bearish side, if the price action breaks the support level of 1854 and starts its bearish side trend, next level of support is going to be around 1852 and 1850, which means that it will be breaking this trend line or the support line, and it will be the confirmation on the continuation of the current bearish trend. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.